Caribbean.
In business tonight, Rubis Caribbean has seen substantial growth in business over the last 5 years. That's the word from Chief Executive Officer of Rubis Caribbean, Mauricio Nichols. He says the growth has prompted the construction of a headquarters office here on the island, which is expected to be completed next year.
Grown substantially. We are about 4 times the size than when we started in 2011. So that has required the addition of some people not only here but also regionally to support our growth. And to support that growth and to accommodate those people, we're also building our headquarters right here in Barbados. So that building is about 50% complete, and we hope to move into our new headquarters by, say, May next year.
Now, since 2012, Rubis has been able to increase its market share by just over 10%. Mr. Nichols says the statistics on their retail market share related to fuel sales here in Barbados.
The last month that we measured our market share, Rubis had 38% market share. Sol had 62% market share, but the Sol market share combines the ESO and the Sol brands. So the Sol brand is approximately 42-43%, and the ESO brand is approximately 19 to 20%. Combined, it's 62%, we have 38%. Compared to where we started 5 years ago, where we had 27%, so we have seen a pretty significant increase in Rubis market share.
Well, 2016 was a very good year for Fortress Fund Managers, and this is according to Chief Investment Officer Peter Arender. For the year ending September 30th, the Caribbean Growth Fund, which is their flagship equity fund, was up about 9% over last year. Mr. Arender says the high interest fund was also up about 3% over 2015.
There were some contributing factors under the surface. The Jamaican stock market did quite well. A couple of shares in Barbados did quite well, including Goddard's, which had a nice gain. And our investments in international and emerging markets all did quite well also, recovering from what was actually a fairly low point in the markets this time last year.
And the biggest challenge for investors at the moment is finding an outlet for the cash. There's
a hugely liquid banking system in Barbados. The commercial banks are not finding as many loans to make as they would like. I think individual investors are not finding the range of investments that they would like to be able to make, given the limited capital markets and the capital controls in Barbados. And we, from our perspective, are also finding it less than ideal in terms of being able to find investments to make in Barbados. We continue trying, and we continue to invest around the region and elsewhere.
Time now to take a look at how stocks traded on selected exchanges across our region.
In Jamaica, 1834 Investments Limited was the volume leader with 3,344,179 units. In Trinidad and Tobago, Trinidad Cement Limited was the volume leader with 28,909 shares changing hands for a value of $101,724.68. And here in Barbados, Cape Shepherd and Company Limited was the sole security trading 2,000 shares at $3.50 each.